Hello guys, JL here, and here in this video I'll show you how to share a password in 1Password. So to do this is pretty simple. So right here we're in 1Password and all we have to do is log into our account. Once we have logged in, go to all items and locate the password that we want to share. So here we have a sample login that we want to share. So to share this is pretty simple. Here there will be a share button, or if you're using your browser there will be a share button right here similar to this. All you have to do is press share, and then here you will have to set the days of expiration. So I want it 30 days for this person, and you can also do it with only some people, or you can only do it with anyone with the link, and can be only viewed one time. So you can copy this link right now, and then once it's sent to that person, it can be only used one time, and there you go. So that is how you share your password on 1Password in this computer. So this can be also done in your phone or in the browser like I've said earlier. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button guys, and don't forget to subscribe.